Word formation. Words are formed in many ways. Sometimes we do it by putting some letters before a word. At other times, something is added after the word. We can form a new word by putting some letters before or after a word. For example, obey, disobey, sweet, sweeten. You saw we put dis before obey to make disobey. Again, n was put after sweet to make sweeten. The letters added before a word are called the prefix. For example, in plus pure, impure, in plus door, indoor, n plus joy, enjoy. More examples of prefix: preview, preschool, antiseptic, antibiotic, dislike, disagree, mistake, misbehave. The letters added after a word are called the suffix. For example, joy plus full, joyful, easy plus ly, easily, pure plus t, purity. More examples of suffix: sweetness, sharpness, enjoyment, punishment, colorful, wonderful, tidily, easily. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.